Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equal to 5 tan t. Because if I put this one going here, you got about 25 times t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the power 3 over 2. ds we have 5 secant of t square. dt. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. So we have 25 times t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. So this one that's about secant of t square. So number 25 secant of t square with the power 3 over 2. We got about 125 times, secant of t to the power of 3. This one we need to expand, and we will have 125 times t to the power of 3. Number 125, and number 5, we got 78,125. So we know that tan t that's about sin t over cosine t. Secant of t with secant of t, you got about secant of t to the power of 5. So we change secant of t into 1 over cosine t to the power of 5. And now we combine two fractions, and we get sin t to the power of 3 over cosine t to the power of 8. So this one, we have sin t square multiplied by sin t. Next, we have sin t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. So we know that this is about sin t square. So we put about cosine t square go to the right. So I will put this one going here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to cosine t. dz we have negative sin t dt. Because we don't have the negative in here, so we can put the negative next to dz. So this one we got about z square. This one you got about z to the power of 8. Sin t dt we change by negative dz. So we have 1 divided by z to the power of 8, z squared divided by z to the power of 8. So the integration of this one, we have z to the power of negative number 8 plus 1 over negative number 8 plus 1. Similar for the next one. So this one you got about negative number 7. This one we got negative number 7. This one we got negative number 5. Negative number 5. So about z, that is about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And we got about t equals to arctan of s over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.